Good morning everybody and welcome to a new week at Davney's. Well done last week, 3 days to get used to what we were doing, and I'm sure there will still be a bit of that as we go through this week as well. And we're all finding out how we go as we go along, and we'll make a few adjustments, a few changes. We'll try and make it, learn from what we've done and move everything forward. But assembly time. Now, this week's theme is being enthusiastic, so I thought I'd use another food prop today. So a bunch of bananas. Now, bananas can illustrate enthusiasm really well. Firstly, they're bright yellow. That's a very positive colour. And being enthusiastic is a very positive trait. It's something that we should try and be all the time. Also, if you look at bananas, they also come quite often in the shape of a smiley face. And that's a good thing. And smiling often helps us be enthusiastic. And certainly the smiles that we get from other people chivvy us up and help us be enthusiastic as well. And so those occasions where we're feeling a little bit glum or our smile's being turned upside down, we can be enthusiastic at other people around us, and their enthusiasm will help turn it back around again to make it a smile. So bright colour gives you the symbol, if you like, of being smiley. Also, bananas grow together, and they grow better together. They grow in bunches, and then the bunches are split up into small hands. So although you go to a shop and you ask for a bunch of bananas, this is actually probably a hand of bananas. But the point is they grow well together, which is what happens in a school environment. We all grow well together. Now, as we know, we are not together at the moment. Well, not physically together. The school isn't here in the buildings, but the school is still going on outside the buildings. And whilst the education is very different to what you're used to, we do feel that we are trying to pull us all together if we can. Some of the chats you have pastorally this week, and I know I'm doing a group as well, so I'm really very much looking forward to that, will help you feel like you're together. The chat facility we use during lessons should help bring you together. It's a bit like in a lesson where the teacher's walking around and you ask a question, and the answer the teacher gives you benefits some of the other people in the form as well. Or if there's a bit of corrective feedback that you have on your work, that helps the other boys in the class as well understand things a bit more easily. So we are trying to stay together, and we're better together, and that joint bit helps us to be enthusiastic. I hope that you're spending some time linking by video to chat to your friends and to have some shared experiences, because that's important too at this time. And the third reason I'm using bananas today is they're a good source of energy. Now, our energy is what helps us be enthusiastic. So the things that help us be energetic are natural things like getting a good night's sleep, eating well, again the bananas. And that energy will help you stay positive through the day. So this week's theme is to be enthusiastic. Keep it going, remember the bananas, and I'll chat to you next week, and I look forward to chatting to some boys during the course of this week as well via video. So have a good day, have a good week, thank you.